Welcome back to our video series on the non-public data system. Now that we have covered entering enrollment data into the system, we will be discussing the search feature and how enrollment data will be viewable. The first page a non-public user will see upon logging into the non-public data system will be the search page. Notice the non-public school IRN and non-public school name are locked fields. You do not have access to change these fields. On the right side of the screen, there's a drop-down menu for state ADM and federal participation. Using this drop-down menu will provide the capability to search the public districts by participation status. Make sure the drop-down menu is set to participation. Let's click Federal ADM Started and hit Search. On this search page, we can see the application period, the name of the non-public school, the district of residence or where that student lives, as well as the district location of the non-public, the public district where the non-public school is physically located. From this page, we can also see at a glance if they have reported Title I data, data on eligible students with disabilities, and the funded ADM. Clicking on Details allows us to see more information. When I click the Program Selection tab, I see the buildings the non-public has selected for which to enter data. I can also see on the left side of the screen that they have selected Yes to participate in all programs. Clicking back to search results will return you to the initial search page. The status for federal ADM uploaded means that the enrollment data has been entered and is awaiting the status change to participation started by the non-public school principal. By using the search feature, we can see that Bishop Hartley has uploaded data for Columbus Public Schools as well as Dublin. Let's click the details for the first entry. Clicking participation shows us they have entered data. Here's the Columbus Public School line highlighted in green, as well as the participation status, which is participation started. At this point, the public user is waiting for the non-public principal to complete the participation forms. Click back to the initial search results. The status participation started means the enrollment data has been entered and the participation form is available. Let's search for participation status started and click Details. We can see that Bishop Hartley has started the participation form when we click the Participation tab. When you scroll to the bottom of the page, you see the participation form down here at the bottom. Notice we now see the federal grant programs listed on the tabs to the left. Completing the participation form will be covered in a later video. Let's hit back to search results. Searching the status participation submitted will return the list of public districts for which the non-public has submitted participation data. Remember, the non-public must submit participation and then also approve the participation, which is the principal sign-off. Searching the status non-public approved will return the list of participation forms that have been approved by the non-public principal. The next participation status is public approved. When When we search for public approved participation, we see the search returns no results. That means there are no participation forms in the status of public approved. Once the participation form goes to the public, if they opt not to approve it, they can choose correction needed. The correction needed status will return the participation form to the non-public school for corrections. Once those corrections have been made, you can start the process again with participation submitted. The next video in this series will focus on how to complete the participation forms.